Right, so Sammaan Capital is in focus today after the company has received the RBI approval for the change in control where Abu Dhabi-based IHC, that is International Holding Company, through Evinair Investment is going to put in around 8,850 odd crore rupees in the company. Now, Evinair will initially hold around 41% stake, which would actually go up to 63% if the open offer goes through, basically making them the controlling shareholder. Now, what this actually means for the business. So in an exclusive interview, the management told ET Now that this is not just about bringing in capital but strengthening the core of the lending business. They're getting three big advantages from this deal. First is the strong capital backing, followed by better governance, and lastly, access to advanced technology. On the growth side, the targets are also quite ambitious as told by the management. They're aiming for 1 lakh crore rupees of AUM by FY27 and around $1 billion of profits by FY30. Profitability is another key focus area. Right now, the return on equity stands around 6 to 7%, but company has the goal to take that percentage to 17 to 20% and plus. This improvement is expected to come from the lower cost of funds, better operating efficiency, and also a reduction in their cost to income ratio, which is currently around 30%, and their target is to bring that down to 20%. And in terms of valuation, if you see, the stock is currently trading at 0.5 times its price to book. So overall, it looks like a pretty big strategic shift for Sammaan Capital. Strong backing, strong capital from the global backing coming in, aggressive growth plans, and also a clear roadmap to improve their profitability going forward.